Hey guys, today we are going to open this Pokemon battle. Zubat versus Sable Eye. Get ready. Pokemon battle ready. Battle figure pack. Sable Eye and Zubat.
All right, go ahead and open it.
This is a tag team, right?
Yep.
How do we take this out? Oh.
Oops, it fell. That's funny, right?
Yeah. Zubat fainted.
Oh no.
Sable Eye won the battle. Okay, let me get that 1 second. Daddy, can this be the good one and this can be my Pokemon?
Yeah.
You're
Here.
the Team Rocket. Let's pretend.
You can actually put Zubat right here.
Daddy.
And
see?
look, it's standing up. Let's get a close up. Come on.
Daddy, you choose the Zubat. I choose Sable Eye.
Can you hold the camera?
Infinity and none. Which I don't.
Oh, it doesn't stand up. Well, we'll make it stand up. Actually, it doesn't stand up at all. Oh no.
I can stand it up. Wait, how about I do this?
Let's just look at it. So, that's Sable Eye.
And that's Zubat.
Oh.
So, who will win? Who won?
I don't know.
Sable Eye.
Nice.
Also,